Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, the DXY or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as you see here that the SP500, look at it, what it's doing here. It doesn't move actually, because today, as I showed you yesterday in the video yesterday, what me I told you, people they watch the last video, what me I told you. I told you today there is a holiday in America. So the US stocks today it's being closed. That's why you see the market it's being flat here. And what else we told you last week? We told you got here like a flag like that, and you need to wait it to get broken either in the top or either down. It doesn't break it up and it doesn't break it down, so it's still sideways. And now it try to give us here like a small mega fall like that, or a small up channel like that. Even that one is a pattern. You wait it if it's going to break up or is going to break down here. So till now also we stay here above the 200 moving average here in the 4 hours. That's something very good. But if you're going from the 4 hours to the daily, you're going to see something differently going there. Here in the daily, look at that. It couldn't break here, that level here. Which level me I'm talking about? That level here. Look with me here. That one here. The market it stay very stronger here, and it's very powerful to break that level here. And today it show us a red candle here, and that's something good, that red candle, because today is Monday and people they know what me I told them about Monday. Monday is the day of market makers. They pushing the market down, then after that the market will go up. Because today is Monday and the US market is closed, so there is no investors, and those ones they playing here, they are just market makers. So you need to wait until tomorrow, then we're going to see what's going to happen. It's going back now to the 4 hours. So here in the 4 hours, what should we do? People they been with us for some time, as we enter long from here. I'm talking here about swing trading. When we used to have here that channel, when it's getting broke here, we entered, then market went up till here, it came back to retest here. Now look where we are. Also we taken 50% here in that level here, exactly here. And now we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days, because till now there is no price action here indicating for us. Also we need to close everything, because even if you do like that, you got here a up channel like that as you see it. So now you need to wait in what's going to happen in the coming days. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's entered here to the overbought area. So now if you follow the rules, you need to search in now for a short position, because look where you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. But till now we don't got any price action here indicating for us also we need to enter short, unless if we came down and we connecting those dots down here and those ones in the top like that. If the market came and breaking down here, yes, maybe we can enter, but the market need to give us more price action here. So we don't got any price action here indicating for us the market is going to reverse. So there is nothing yet here in the 4 hours. It's going now to 30 minutes to see what is it there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes we got something different. The last video what me I told you here, I told you we used to have here like a flag. I told you last video we used to have here a flag. That flag is getting broke here in that level here as you see it. Then the market it went up till here. Then now it go back to testing that level of the flag here. Sorry. Now look at it. If you came and you do it like that here, a line like that, you see that level here, it's being retested again. That's something good. That's indicating the market is still going up. If you're doing even a line like that, you see it very clear now. So it came here, it tested again. Now it's going up. But the volume today is very dry. That means there is no one in the market. That way me I haven't entered in it as a scalper and a day trader, because I know today is a holiday. But the good news to watching news to know what is it in the market, because US market without investors of USA, there is no one. And those ones here, they are just market makers. So if there is anything is going to happen till tomorrow. And here in 30 minutes, he tried to give us here like that, like a megaphone here. Look at it. As you see it here. Even that one is a price action pattern. That one you waiting either to break up here or to come down to break lower here. As I told you, today US market is closed. So those ones they playing not just market makers. They're playing against each other. So you need to wait until tomorrow what's going to happen. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it touch here the overbought area. Last video being here, that way I told you waiting that correction. So we'll have when it's breaking here, we'll have you enter long till when it came here to the overbought area here. We'll have you take some profit, and now we'll have you are in risk free. But me, as I told you, I don't advise you to enter today, because today the market is closed, as I told you. Now it's going to see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing, so it's going there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Even that one, the same thing. Look at it. It gives us here like a up channel here. Look at it. Very clear up channel here. As you see, it's been touching the lower of it every time here. It going up. And that one, if you go lower in 30 minutes, it's going to be very clear for you. And people they being with us also we enter long from here. Exactly same like the SP 500 from here. And now we are in risk free. We move in the stop loss and we take some of the profit. Now did we got any price action here indicating for us as the market is going to reverse? No, you don't got anything there. Even if you came here and you try to do like that, you will not have here a very clear price action. Yes, you can make a wage here, but that wage is not clear yet. So we need to wait in the coming days. It needs the market to give us here a price action indicating the market is going to reverse. Till now we don't got any price action there, so we need to wait in more, guys. And also now we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. If you see it from here, as you see it here, you are in it again. So there is nothing new here in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours you need to wait in more. And also we came to you every time to update you what the market doing. So if you are a swing trader or a scalper or a day trader, you follow us. And also every day we update you with the new thing here. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, is enter here to the overbought area. Level, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. But the price action, you don't got any price action here. It need at least to bounce more there to give us here a price action. Either it's going to break more or it's going to reverse. Till now there is nothing there, so we need to wait in more. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what is it there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, you can make like that. That channel me I told you in the 4 hours. Look at it here in 30 minutes. How is it? It's very clear here in 30 minutes. And here in 30 minutes, the last video what me I told you here. Same like the SP 500. I told you used to have here a flag like that. It's getting broke here. Look till where it went. Till here. Now it go back down to test here. Now it's need that one to go to break that last high which is here for the market to go more higher. But the good news, you are in the top of the 200 moving average and the degree of 200 moving average is going up as you see it. So that's something very good that when the market is trending up. But now here you don't got any price action here. Unless if that one where we are doing like that is going to give us here a double top like that. Till now there is nothing here, and here you can make like that if you want. But it will not be that clear as I told you. You got here like a small wage like that. It's getting broke here. That just aiming for small profit like that or something. But for the market to drop, it's need to take more long. And as I told you today, the market or US market is closed. So there is no trading today. We need to wait until tomorrow when the US market open. Then we're going to see if we find in there an opportunity or no. It's our indicator what it's saying. Same thing. That one here, when it's touching the overbought area, will have you take some profit because also we used to have here that flag here as I showed you before. When it's getting broke here in that level here, we'll have here in the top here, we'll have you take profit because our indicator is entered here to the overbought area. Now there is no overbought, no oversold. Our indicator is at the middle, so that is indicating for you there is no trading today. That's when me I told you. I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the DXY or US dollar what it's doing today. So let's go in there. That one here, same thing. When it's breaking here, people being with us, we used to have here a flag like that. When it's getting broke here, look at it, tell where it went, tell here down. And here we got a very stronger trend line. Let me show it to you. If we're going from here from 4 hours to the daily, here we are in the daily. In the daily, as you see it, it's breaking here that long-term trend line. Now it's showing like the market is going to go up because it's giving us here now a pin bar because it's going to come the home sales of USA. So I think that one is going to camp tail here maybe because when it's breaking, that way how to you to know the break it's real, not fake breakout. You need to do like that to come back here. Then after that to come to break that last low which is here. That's what me I'm thinking now. I think it's going to come here to that zone here. Then after that, it's going to fall down and it's going to break for you that one. Because US dollar now is going to fall down. Because as I told you and as I showed you before, inflation in USA is getting pivoting. That way, me are thinking it's still falling down more than that. Because the US dollar is going up when inflation is increasing and interest rate is increasing. When interest rate is decreasing and inflation is getting lower and lower, it's falling down. Not the same thing now. Also, we've been in the inflation at 9. And I will look at it, what it's doing. It's still falling here. So the same thing here. It's going back now to the 4 hours. So here in the 4 hours what we got here like a mega fall like that as you see it. Even that one you wait in the break to happen down for you to enter more short. But me, I don't advise anyone to enter short now, because if you are a swing trader, the entry to be in from here when we used to have here the double top. Now it's too late, because now you are in the second phase. Look with me, the phases me I'm talking about, that the first phase, that the second one. The entry it was from here. Over here, you're taking some of the profit. Over here, you're taking some of the profit. I think everything is too clear. But for scalping and day trading, yes, you can enter and aim for some profit. But for swing trading, no. Swing trading, it's been the entry from here in the top. I think everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator here in the 4 hours, as you see it entered here to the overbought area. That's what me have been telling you. But we don't need to look in here for entry long, because the entry long, you got here that price action here, that megaphone. If it's breaking higher, yes, you can enter, but not that much. It will not go up a lot. If it go up, it will go up only to here. So there is no entry. There is no reason to enter long, because me I think it is going to fall down more than that. That's what me have been telling you. Let's go now to 30 minutes to see what is it there, if there is any scalping opportunity in the US dollar. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, it's given us here like head and shoulder here in 30 minutes. Look at it here. Very clear head and shoulder here. But the neckline is it here. So it needs some time to come to break. It needs to break even the 200 moving average. And that I think it will not happen. And here, look at that megaphone me I'll show you in 4 hours. Look at it here in 30 minutes, how clear it is. So the one you need either to come here, if it's breaking here the 200 moving average, you enter long. Or if it came down and breaking down here, you enter short here in 30 minutes. The picture is getting very, 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 very clear here compared to the 4 hours. That will me. If you are a day trader and a scalper, I always advise you to start analyzing from 30 minutes, from 4 hours for swing trading, and the daily for long-term trading. I think everything is too clear here. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's coming here from the overbought area. So now what should we do now us here? You drawing that mega fall like me. Look at me how I draw it like that. And you waiting where is the market is going to break. Either to break up, you enter long. Either to break down, you enter short. Till now there is nothing confirmed. You need to wait till more what's going to happen here. I think everything is too clear. So let's go in now to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin. Here in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes, same thing. Here, nothing changed in the Bitcoin. Actually, as we said here, we got like that, like a flag here. And look at it, it stays sideways here. There is nowhere to go. No up, no down. So also we need to wait in the break to happen here or down here. Till now there is no breaking. And here in the top, look with me what you got here. See that one I got me with the dots here in 30 minutes. That one is the long-term downtrend in the weekly. That one if it's getting broke 100% at the end of this bear market. And now also we are in a bull market. So the market here just resting. That's a normal thing. That's what me have been telling you. I told you it's going to make a correction to rest a little bit. Then after that you're going to see it going up. And that's what the market is doing. So also here we are in another phase as you see it. Because me, I explained those things in other videos, but it's okay to repeat it to you here. If you just can. If you came here, look with me here in that zone here, where is the Bitcoin it's breaking. Then you're going up over here. It gives you that the first phase, second phase here, third phase here, and now you are in the fourth phase, and that one is taking long because today is Monday. So let's wait in if the market is going to break up or is going to reverse and to break for us that 200 moving average. Till now, us we still waiting what the market is going to do. So and me, I show you now even the price action you got here. Look with me here what you got. You got here that channel here, that one here, for that accumulation level, name it whatever you want, because the market is working like that. You be in here in an uptrend or a downtrend, the same thing. Then there is a level where is people they taking profit or people they try to take out those small retail traders. Let's make it like that. Then after that, either is going to continue upward or is going to fall down. And at the same thing now, what's happening here, that it's telling us either the market is going to continue upward or is going to reverse. So us, we doing those levels here. We doing the top one here. The downward, you make it like that, and you wait in the break where it's going to happen, either to happen up and to break for us that long-term trend, or it's going to fall down and to break down the 200 moving average. So also we still waiting. There is no entry, and don't follow no one. He never ever trade, because majority of those people, they are online. They never ever trade. did just, what can we say? It don't got any relation to trading that way me I told you. And here our indicator, what it's saying? Our indicator, it enter here to overbought or oversold as you see it before it used just to change the color like that. Then it reverse. So the people, they haven't entered with us from down here. If it came and breaking for you here, that level here, look at it, how I draw it, and that one down here. If it came the market and break it here, enter long. Don't wait anymore. You're going to miss the opportunity of your life. Remember that. If it came and breaking here, the trend line, I show you how to draw it even in the weekly. So if it came and breaking there, don't wait anymore. I think everything is too clear. So that's it for that video. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now.